there is one lady is there. Of course, somewhere she connected in some financial transaction. She made a just usually we are talking. That lady situation is even in the last sessions also I told. She borrowed the money from everywhere, man. Everywhere, wherever. Just she's always thinking that first this problem got solved. Tomorrow my life will be better. And tomorrow I can return some way. Okay, like so two rupees interest person is keeping the pressure for the repayment, then immediately she is going to take money 3 rupees interest and she is going to pay there. If a 3 rupees person keeping the pressure, then she is taking the money from 4 rupees interest and she is going to return. Unknowingly, without having financial knowledge, that lady fall into the trap. Then at certain point, what happened is she is not in a position to handle. She is not in a position to handle. Then everyone is coming to her house and they are threatening like anything. Okay, they are threatening like anything. Okay, everyone. She made him phone call. Durga, what I require to do, I don't know. My situation is very horrible. So someone is telling tomorrow I will come. My heartbeat is rising like anything. I'm getting fear, Durga. Like, hey, just face convey. Just soon I will arrange. Like you can, like I told, not in a position to do that, Durga. Like even very unfortunate, she has to give some money also for me. Instead of asking me, I require to tell the suggestions to that lady. She has to give some money for me also. Instead of asking, okay, instead of asking, just I'm giving suggestions. That's about my situation. Okay, light.
You are kind-hearted.
Okay, then I told, so you require to face no alternative at all. No alternative at all. Okay, you require to face that, like I told. Then, but take some time. Take some time. In that time, you have some buffer time to think. Like I'm keep on telling. Then what happened is the situation is the house also in the loan. She is telling, I will sell that house. I will sell that house and I will clear the loans. Like she is telling, but the people are not in a position to wait. Then the pressure is rising like anything. She's feeling sick. If she's checking her sugar, blood sugar, 400, 500, 400, 500, too much. On fine day, what happened is she left that place and then she went somewhere, making continuous phone calls and so on. Her health got damaged like anything. She joined in the hospital. The hospital video, her husband shared it to me. I made a phone call. Uncle, how are you? How is auntie? Like, because her phone is not responding. Her phone is not switching off. Array, she told, I'm getting fear. Something happened. Like I thought. Then I made a phone call to her husband because I know this person very close to me. What happened? How is auntie? Like, then that person told Durga, auntie situation is very danger. Can you please just see the video? Like, I saw the video, man. Only one time I saw that video. I'm not in a position, okay, to see that. Then immediately I gave my mobile to my admin Nazir sir. Nazir sir, open so and so name, WhatsApp. There is one video is there. Can you please delete that video and then return to my phone? Like I told. I'm not in a position to see that that lady on the bed, the eyes came out. Okay, with the, it's very horrible to explain. Second time, I'm not in a position to see that video. In the first time, also in the middle only, I stopped that video. Loans are that much dangerous. Okay, the people, this lady left the house, locking. Then all the people who gave the loan, they came and they did what they did is, in the petrol or diesel, they kept inside a bottle and just throw the bottle and then ignite. Fire accident happened. Their house got burned. TV, fridge, everything burned. Okay, like wow, what a worst experience. That lady, it's too horrible. Maybe I didn't long back, almost around 6 months before I had a talk. 6 months or 7 months, 6 months before. But now I don't know the situation. Definitely the situation is not going to be in the correct place because she's not having single paisa, but she required to pay 2 crores, 2 crores, 2.5 crore.